Generating Leads with HubSpot Campaigns. Welcome to today's video on generating leads with HubSpot Campaigns. HubSpot is a powerful tool for businesses looking to streamline their marketing efforts and drive more leads. In this video, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of creating effective HubSpot campaigns that can help you generate high-quality leads. HubSpot offers a range of tools and features that make it easy to create and manage campaigns. From email marketing to social media, HubSpot provides a comprehensive platform for businesses to reach their target audience. One of the key benefits of using HubSpot is its ability to track and analyze the performance of your campaigns, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your strategy. To get started with HubSpot campaigns, you'll need to set up a few key components. First, you'll need to create a lead source, which defines where your leads are coming from. This could be a website, social media, or even a referral. Next, you'll need to create a lead type, which determines the characteristics of your leads. This could be based on demographics, behavior, or other factors. Once you've set up your lead source and type, you can start creating your campaigns. HubSpot provides a range of templates and tools to help you get started. You can choose from a variety of email templates, social media posts, and even landing pages. The key is to create content that resonates with your target audience and encourages them to take action. Another important aspect of HubSpot campaigns is lead scoring. This allows you to assign points to leads based on their behavior and engagement. The more engaged a lead is, the higher their score. This can help you identify the most promising leads and prioritize your follow-up efforts. In addition to lead scoring, HubSpot also provides a range of analytics tools. These allow you to track the performance of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions.